Have you forgotten your Apple ID password and can't access to your account? Don't worry, we have all been there. In today's video, I'll take you through the complete step-by-step guide to reset your Apple ID password quickly and securely. Whether you are using an iPhone, iPad, or even a web browser, I've got all the solutions that you need. By the end of this video, you will regain your account access and straighten your Apple ID security. So, to be sure to stick around and watch this video carefully. Hello and welcome back, guys. If you forgot your Apple ID, don't worry. I will tell you actually two ways to reset your Apple ID password. So actually first we will continue by the devices like iPhone or iPad. If you have and if you don't have access to your devices, we will continue by the PC and web browser. So I will cover two ways which are so good. So guys, for the first time we will continue by the devices and then go with the web page. So let me actually turn on my device and turn on my screen record. So guys, to reset or recover your Apple account or Apple ID, we will go to the settings. On the actually first tab, you will see your Apple ID name and your email address, which is your Apple account name. So just tap here, as you can see, guys. And guys, here you will see the sign in and security tab. Just tap here. And here, guys, as you can see, on the security tab, we have a change password. So just tap here. And here, guys, it's wanna actually answer your security questions. Answer. If you know, it's okay. We will just continue and go to reset our password. If you don't know, guys, we will go to the second actually method, which we will work on PC and web browser. So guys, if you know what is your security questions and answer, just type here. For example, I will type mine, and after that second one. Now guys, here you can see the new password. So choose a security password you can remember. So guys, here you have a current password, new password, and retype password. So guys, because we don't have and we don't know what is our current password, we have to reset our Apple ID actually password. So guys, here you have an option to forgot password. So just tap here. And guys, you have two options: reset by email and answer security questions. Again, if you don't remember what is your security question answer and what was them, we will continue by actually reset by email. So tap here. And as you can see, guys, we will see the message password reset email sent. And follow the directions in the email to reset your password. Now guys, we will go to our actually Apple ID email address. So let me go to my email address. And here guys, when you refresh your email box, you will see nothing got from the Apple. So what is the story? Let me tell you important point here, guys. When you link a rescue email address to your Apple ID or add and actually rescue email to your Apple ID, Apple will send a reset link to your rescue email address, not your main email address, which is made for your Apple ID. So you don't get any email from Apple to your actually main email address, which your Apple ID made with that email. You just get the email address actually by your rescue email. So I will change my email address to my rescue email address. And now guys, you can see I got the email from the Apple. Apple has sent you a link to reset your password for your account. So I will click here, tap here. And here guys, as you can see, I have a reset now option. just tap here, wait a couple of the seconds. And now guys, you can see new Apple account password. We have a just option to actually change your email address, password. You can see new password and confirm your password, and you don't need to actually remember your current password, which is so great. Just guys, type your new password and actually remember this point. You must actually select at least 8 characters, upper and lower letters, and at least one number. So we will continue actually by type or new password for your actually Apple ID. So I will choose, for example, my name. Let me choose, for example, Tiger. Why it doesn't type? It's weird. So it's okay. Tiger, and we have a upper letters, lower letters, and now we must just add a number. For example, 2006, as you can see, which is okay. So again, confirm your password, Tiger, and that's it guys. When you actually type your password, just tap here on the reset password. Actually, password is not secure, so we must actually do something on our password. For example, I will add actually capital X, Tiger X, for example, 2134. So again, 2134, because guys, when you for example use two number which are like to each other, for example 202123, Apple refused to change your password. So as you can see, this is a good password. So I will try to reset password now. Just tap here. So we are done here. As you can see guys, password changed. So guys, just tap here and go to your account, and here, as you can see guys, I have an option to update my password. Just click on the update and wait. And after that guys, Apple will ask you to actually update your Apple ID password for your Apple account. So whenever you want to go to your actually Apple ID, you will see the message to update your password. Now guys, let me actually test my new password, and now you can see this message box. I will tap here on the settings, and now I will add my new password, which is Tiger X 2134. So just tap here on sign in, and that's it guys. As you can see, Apple accept my password, which is so great. So guys, we are done here with our devices like iPhone or iPad, and then we will continue by the second way, which is on PC or web browser. So just be patient and see the actually next way. Now guys, we are on the actually second way, which we will work on web browser. And if you don't have access to your device, or if you want to actually guys to actually do this with your device, this is the second way. So first of all, open up the browser on your PC or your device and go to this URL, iforgot.apple.com. as you can see guys. Now enter, and we will go to the next page. Here guys, just you don't need to do anything, just actually tap on reset password or click on reset password. Here guys, you have two fields. The first one, which you must type your Apple ID email address, or if you made your Apple ID with phone number, just type your phone number. So as you can see, I will type my Apple ID email address, and on second field, just actually write the captcha. Here, as you can see, just write the captcha, and click on the continue. Now guys, we will go to the next page, which you can select to reset your password or reset your security questions. So in this tutorial we will actually continue by reset by password. And here guys, in the next page we have two options. Actually reset your password actually to get the reset link by your email address, or reset your password by security questions. Because you don't actually remember your security questions, we will work on get an email. So click on continue, and here guys there is a so important point which I told you before. As you can see, the email has been sent to your rescue email address, as you can see guys. So you will get the Apple email, I mean reset link on your rescue email address. So guys, in case you added rescue email address to your Apple ID and link it before, you will get on rescue email address. If you not, you will get the actually reset link on your main email address. Now go to your email inbox and you will see the Apple actually email address to reset your Apple account or Apple ID. So as you can see, I got the email. And here guys, as you can see, again there is a link to reset your password. Just click on the reset now and we will go to the next page, which is actually Apple link to reset your password, which is sent to your email address. So as you can see guys, there is a two fields to actually type your password and confirm it. And again guys, your password must have 8 or more characters, upper and lower letters, and at least one number. So here let me type my new password here, and you can see the format here. For example, I will continue by flower, and I have a actually upper and lower letters, and here just number, as you can see. Now copy and paste it on the two fields. Now let me show you guys. Copy and paste it here, and again confirm this password, and just guys click on the reset password. Again guys, you can do this actually steps on your Apple or iPad too. I mean, open up Safari and go to this link, and guys just go to your account and let me show you how it works. And let me put my new password and test it for you. Now we will go to the actually account.apple.com, which is the main page of to customize your Apple ID. Here it's time to actually type your password or your phone number. Now let me write my Apple ID email address and click here. Now type your passcode. Let me copy and paste it. And in the next page, I will tell you guys important point again. If you don't remember your security questions answer, you can first reset your password and then reset your security question. And after that, go back to this page and go to your main page of Apple account customization page. So guys, if you don't remember how to reset your security questions, I have a full video about that actually on my channel. I will mention the card here, and you will see the cover here, and you will see this page after you type your security questions answers. And as you can see guys, again you have an option here to change your password, change your email address, change your rescue email address. As you can see, this is my rescue email address guys, and again you have an option to change your account security, which is your security questions. So guys, it was a so great tutorial about how to recover or reset your Apple account or Apple ID password. So we are done here guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you recover your Apple ID password effortlessly. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. So with another video, see you soon guys. Be careful of yourself. Goodbye.